Imagine the aroma of garlic, onions, and fresh herbs wafting through the air, the sizzle of a pan searing juicy pork. Welcome to the world of lechon, a tantalizing Puerto Rican dish that is as much a feast for the eyes as it is for the palate. This culinary delight holds an esteemed place in the heart of Puerto Rican cuisine and culture. Lechon, or roasted pig, is a culinary marvel. Its preparation is an art form, a slow dance of flavors and aromas that takes patience and skill. Picture a whole pig, meticulously prepared and seasoned with a blend of local spices and herbs, slowly roasted over an open fire. The result? A crispy golden skin enveloping tender, flavorful meat that melts in your mouth. This succulent dish, lechon, is a true culinary masterpiece of Puerto Rico and a perfect start to our journey. Take a step into the bustling city of San Juan, where the streets are lined with food stalls, each offering a unique taste of Puerto Rico. The culinary scene of San Juan is an explosion of flavors, a symphony of tastes that dance on the tongue. One such dish is mofongo, a mouth-watering concoction of mashed plantains, garlic, and pork cracklings. This dish is a staple of Puerto Rican cuisine, a staple that has been passed down through generations, a testament to the enduring spirit of the island's culinary tradition. Mofongo is typically served with a broth or sauce, adding another layer of flavor to this already delicious dish. But San Juan's culinary offerings don't stop there. Another popular dish is alcapurrias, a flavorful fritter made from a dough of green bananas and Jayuya, a type of root vegetable, which is then filled with meat and deep-fried to perfection. This delectable snack is a street food favorite, a quick bite that packs a flavorful punch. The beauty of San Juan's culinary scene lies in its rich blend of influences. The Spanish brought their love for rice and beans, the Africans introduced plantains and other root vegetables, while the indigenous Taino people contributed their knowledge of local fruits and seafood. This fusion of cultures and flavors has resulted in a cuisine that is uniquely Puerto Rican, a cuisine that tells a story of a people and their history. And while these dishes are delicious on their own, they are made even more so by the vibrant atmosphere of San Juan. The city is alive with the sound of sizzling food, the aroma of spices, and the chatter of locals and tourists alike, all eager to sample the culinary delights on offer. So, whether you're a seasoned foodie or simply someone looking for a delicious meal, San Juan has something for you. From the hearty mofongo to the crispy alcapurrias, the city's culinary gems are sure to satisfy your cravings and leave you with a taste of Puerto Rico that will linger long after your meal. San Juan, a city that serves as a melting pot of flavors, is a testament to the diversity of Puerto Rican cuisine. Next, we venture to the southern coast of Puerto Rico, to the city of Ponce, where the sea offers an abundance of fresh seafood. Imagine a place where the sea's bounty is so generous, it shapes the very culture and cuisine of the land. Welcome to Ponce, a coastal city that takes its culinary cues from the Caribbean Sea. Here, the dishes are a testament to the city's deep connection with the ocean, offering a unique gastronomic experience that's as vibrant as the city itself. Let's delve into the seafood-centric dishes that Ponce is famous for. First up is asopao de mariscos, a hearty seafood soup that's a staple in Puerto Rican cuisine. It's a delightful medley of fresh catch from the sea, simmered with rice, a variety of vegetables, and seasoned with a blend of local spices that give it a distinctive flavor. Each spoonful brings the taste of the ocean to your palate, while the warmth of the soup is a comforting embrace that speaks of the city's hospitality. Another coastal delight is bacalatos, a popular street food in Ponce. These are codfish fritters, crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, made from the freshest catch of the day. The salty tang of the cod blends perfectly with the light, fluffy batter, creating a taste sensation that's utterly addictive. Bacalatos is the perfect snack to enjoy while strolling along Ponce's picturesque seafront, a culinary offering that truly reflects the city's love for its sea. In Ponce, the proximity to the sea doesn't just influence the cuisine, it shapes the entire way of life. The city's culinary scene is a reflection of its vibrant coastal setting, where the rhythm of the waves and the bounty of the sea are a daily part of life. The dishes here are not just meals, they're a celebration of Ponce's maritime heritage, a delicious symphony of flavors that tell the story of the city's relationship with the sea. In Ponce, the ocean isn't just a view, it's a way of life that's deliciously reflected in its cuisine. Leaving the coast behind, we ascend into the mountainous region of Jayuya, where the climate shapes the cuisine in a whole new way. In this high-altitude haven, the cuisine is a testament to the fertile volcanic soil and the indigenous Taino heritage. Here, The local dishes are not just meals but stories waiting to be narrated, stories of the land and its people. Let's begin with guaname, a traditional Taino dish that's as old as the mountains themselves. These are corn dumplings, wrapped and steamed in banana leaves, a process that infuses them with an earthy flavor. The corn, grown on the mountainsides, is ground into a coarse meal, giving guaname its distinctive texture. It's a dish that speaks of the simple pleasures of life, of the harmony between man and nature. Then we have pastels, a dish that's a labor of love. Made with grated root vegetables like green bananas, plantains, and jayuya, combined with savory pork, all encased in a dough made from the same root vegetables and wrapped in banana leaves. This is then boiled to perfection, resulting in a dish that's as hearty as it is flavorful. Pastels is more than just a meal. It's a celebration of the harvest, a tribute to the bountiful land. The dishes of Jayuya are characterized by their bold, earthy flavors, a reflection of the rugged mountains that surround the region. They are made with local, seasonal ingredients, a testament to the people's deep connection with the land. These dishes are not just about satisfying the palate, but also about celebrating the region's rich heritage and culture. The indigenous Taino influences are evident not just in the dishes themselves, but also in the way they are prepared. The use of banana leaves, the grinding of corn, the grating of root vegetables, these are age-old techniques passed down through generations, a living testament to the region's past. In Jayuya, the flavors are as bold and robust as the mountains themselves. From the bustling city of San Juan, to the coastal city of Ponce, and up to the mountainous region of Jayuya, we've tasted the diverse flavors of Puerto Rico. We kicked off our journey in the vibrant city of San Juan, where the culinary scene is as eclectic as the city itself. We indulged in the traditional mofongo, a dish that marries the African, Taino, and Spanish influences of the region. Mashed plantains, garlic, and pork cracklings are combined to create a dish that is as flavorful as it is symbolic of the island's blended heritage. Next, we moved on to the coastal city of Ponce, where the sea's bounty is the star of the culinary show. The fresh ceviche and asopao de mariscos, a hearty seafood soup, are dishes that truly embody the spirit of Ponce. The use of fresh, locally sourced seafood highlights the importance of the surrounding ocean to the city's culture and cuisine. Our journey then took us to the mountainous region of Jayuya, where the culinary scene is heavily influenced by the island's indigenous Taino roots. We tasted the hearty guaname, a cornmeal and coconut dumpling that is as much a part of the region's history as it is its cuisine. The flavors here are earthy and robust, a reflection of the rugged mountain terrain. Throughout our journey, we've seen how each region of Puerto Rico brings its unique flavor to the table, creating a vibrant and diverse culinary tapestry. These dishes, each with its own story and significance, are more than just food. They're a delicious testament to the island's rich history, its cultural diversity, and its unwavering spirit. And so, we conclude our culinary journey. From the vibrant streets of San Juan to the picturesque coast of Ponce and the majestic mountains of Jayuya, we've explored the heart of Puerto Rico through its food. This journey through the culinary landscape of Puerto Rico shows that food isn't just a meal here, it's a delicious, aromatic story of the island's rich history and vibrant culture.